Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the fried chicken drumsticks. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my chicken thighs over here. I'll just go ahead and clean them up a little bit. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice on the chicken. I'll come in with some soy sauce, onion powder, curry, chili pepper, white pepper, my favorite seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, and finally some salt. I'll come in with my hands and make sure the seasoning has been distributed evenly. I'll break in an egg. Come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. This aside to rest for about 30 minutes. I'll just dip it into some breadcrumbs. Come in with some oil and put it on medium flame. When the oil is hot enough, I'll drop in my drumsticks. Medium flame for about 15 minutes. Make sure to check on them often and turn them around when needed. See, it's turned golden brown. It is ready. I'll just get them out of the oil. Our chicken drumsticks are ready. You definitely need to give this a try. It's so delicious. So as you can see, it's cooked very well. It's cooked to the bone. There is no blood and is ready to be eaten. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye!